guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to fade in and fade out music tracks on Capcut. Let's start. At first you have to open your Capcut app. Then tap on the new project here. Now select the video that you want to add as your main video. After selecting it, tap on add. Then you guys can find out your video here. Now tap on audio. Then you guys will find out a lot of sounds here. You guys can take sound from here, or if you want to add audio from your device, tap on extract and then select the video that you want to add, and it will automatically extract audio from the video. And here you guys can find out your audio. Select which part you want to add. I'm going to split it like this and then tap on the audio, and here you guys can find out fade option. If you tap on here, then you guys will find out fade in and fade out option. Select the time from here and then watch the video. So this is how you guys can fade in and fade out music tracks by using Capcut. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.